Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and I'm back with another cash flow tip of the day. Today's cash flow tip is about volume. Volume is part of the revenue levers, and volume times price determines how much revenue comes into your business. So you want to create a strong volume of sales, but you want to create a strong volume of sales in your most profitable products. So our tip for today is to create strong customer avatars or marketing personas that represent your ideal customers. If you know exactly what your ideal customer looks like, when you're starting to create all of your social media content, all of your advertising content, all of the bits and pieces that you pull together to actually speak to your customer avatar, you're more likely to make a sale because you'll have thought about where you will find them, where they'll be hanging out, what interests they have, and as you speak to them, you'll be using their own language so that will resonate more with them than if you were speaking a different language entirely. So knowing who your customer is, don't be afraid to get really, really specific, and don't be afraid to interview an existing customer, an ideal customer, and get them to help you fill out your marketing persona. There's lots of resources that you can get online. If you just Google customer avatar or marketing avatar, then you'll find that there's lots of resources that you can pull, and that will give you a starting point to how to build your own strong customer avatar that you can then hand on to your marketing professionals. So that's my cash flow tip for today around volume.